At least you can't hear that music anymore.
Mm-hmm. Out of all music they play, they want to play that. God, I hate people blasting the trash music. Couldn't even make out most of what they were saying.
Oh, okay, I got it. It was just like a fly.
Huh.
It's on you again. Oh my god.
The hell
Got
does
it.
the fly
It was
want?
like one of those like big horse flies.
Oh, hell no. Flies are annoying.
Yeah, I usually like to walk in the wintertime. Because that way, like, you can just wear layers and that way it can be more. You can take them, take a layer off if you get too hot or
Mm-hmm.
when it's hot out. And there's not much you can do about it. And there's no bugs.
Is that just me or like Chris when I heard something in like a bush or something?
Yeah, it's probably a squirrel. Don't walk too fast. I start to get out of breath.
House.
So down here, well, they don't really maintain it, but this path, it goes all the way to like the railroad track.
Huh.
I think we better maybe turn around. What do you think?
Yeah, maybe.
Because it's getting sunnier and